Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can duplicate a picture in Photos on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Photos. In Photos, tap on Library, and in here select a picture that you want to duplicate. Next, tap on the option at the top here and then tap on Duplicate from the menu, and that's it. Now if we go back to our library, you can see there are now two photos, and if I tap on the information button, you can see in here it shows everything exactly the same: image, ID, and the name of your device. And if I go back, so if I close that and go back in here and select on the image and I tap on the information button, you can see everything will be exactly the same because it is the same exact duplicate copy of that image. And that's it. That is how you can duplicate a picture in Photos app on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.